What's up? How's it been? I've been good. Really busy. Anyway, today it's kind of a short video. We have a new shift knob here from NRG Innovations. I think it looks good. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it real quick, and I will show you guys what it looks like, and then we'll go put it on the car, and I'll give you guys kind of a rundown of what's going on and why there wasn't an upload last week. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we have it, the NRG Innovations shift knob. I got it in carbon fiber and neochrome. This is the part number. If you guys like it, you guys can go ahead and order it. I'll have a link in the description. Let's go ahead and open this up. And it comes in a little bubble wrap thing so it doesn't get all screwed up in transit. It also comes with a sticker for you, so for you sticker aficionados, it's good for you. Anyway, let's get this thing open. So there it is. It is neochrome as F, it's carbon, and the top of it has the little NRG logo. It feels pretty good. Like, I feel like it's gonna go well in the car. So we're gonna get this installed, and I will tell you guys my impressions on it. Alright, so basically we're just going to take this off, which is a thread-on style, and we're going to put this in, which is also a thread-on style. We're going to have to turn the adapter ring a little bit just to get it to shore up against here, but I think it'll fit nice. So to start, just pull this bad boy off, which sucks because I've had this on the car since I bought it. So it's kind of nostalgic. But here we go. We're going to put this on there. And as you see, it fits the adapter pretty good. Get this all the way. If you're like me, you're gonna have to get this straight, like the logo. You have to do some finagling, some messing around to get it. The reason I'm holding on to the shift boot while I'm tightening this is so that it will stay basically put, since it's just zip tied on. Trying to remember which way it goes to tighten up. Here we go. Alright, and there we go. It is on there. So there we have it. It's on there. It is straight as it can be, I guess. It could be a little straighter. Let's go ahead and just turn this whole piece. There we go. There we go. So it definitely feels good in your hand. I'd go on a test drive, but I'm here by myself. My wife's gone, and I got the kids, so that's not going to work. But I mean, it feels nice in my hand. It's just going to take some getting used to, because I've had this ball on there for so long that I'm used to the big grip. I'm not used to like the pen style, so it's going to take some getting used to, but I mean, it feels nice. Well, oh, it's this kid that lives up the street up here, and he used to have a white EF coupe, and then I guess he traded that for that EG. But yeah, I feel like that's going to go good, so I'm excited for it. Alright, the reason I did not upload last week is I did the fog light install, and it has taken me a very long time to edit it. It is a lot of footage to go through. I'm having to take out bits and pieces that I think just aren't worth being in the video. And not only that, but the software I was using had an update. I updated it and it just screwed everything. For some reason, it just would not record, or it wouldn't like play back the preview. So I had to hunt down another editing software and learn it. So I'm learning. It's going to be a process. Hopefully this one's done and out, and I'll have that fog light video for you guys soon. If you guys have any questions or anything, or want to know, you know, later on down the road, if you guys want an update on how it feels and what my thoughts are, let me know down in the comments. Other than that, subscribe, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Become part of the family if you want to. Turn on the little bell so you'll get notified whenever I eventually decide to upload some stuff. And I hope you guys have a good night and stay blessed.